You shared a lot about your personal journey with cancer. Give us just an idea of how that has changed your approach to IT, to technology, and has it really changed your thinking in terms of the patient journey and how technology can improve the patient journey?
It really has, Bill. I had colorectal cancer, stage 3, twice, some long journeys through that. And there's things that you think you understand by listening to your colleagues, by rounding, all kinds of things. But once you're in a hospital bed for a couple months, until you have experienced the kind of emotions that go with how am I going to navigate this experience, you don't get it. And I've had a lot of clinician friends say, boy, my perspective really changed once I had a health incident. My conclusion of that is you get lots of think time when you're doing chemotherapy, for example. And my think time was, I really feel like I want to help make a difference in making this stuff better. And so it really doubled down my interest in continuing to do the work I do. I didn't have the temptation to step away. Instead, I leaned in more. I wish that I could put hands-on projects all the time where I could personally make those decisions about product design that would be more patient-centric. In the role that I am in, it's more of an orchestrator than an inventor. But I am trying to communicate to my team all the time that we have the privilege of saving lives and making lives better. One of the things that Ed and I have written about and talked about is this. A lot of times when you find something in healthcare that doesn't work very well, it's because you run into these invisible glass walls, process optimization put in place. We've done so much to improve safety and quality in healthcare that we've become potentially too rigid. And I say, well, why can't I have this? Well, we don't do it that way. Why don't we do it that way? We do it because we're protecting patient safety. But we're now at the point where it's also really potentially making for a bad patient experience. So I think now that we've really mastered process, we need to take that thinking and move it into how do we think about healthcare as a series of curated and managed services and products, rather than a set of interlocking but not well integrated processes. Each of those processes is perfect, but when strung together, creates an imperfect patient experience.